how to log out from all devices in Instagram. So all you have to do is to go here directly to your Instagram application, and it will lead you to your homepage, right? Now what I want you to do next is to go here to your profile icon. As you can see here on the bottom part, you will see 5 different options there. Tap on your profile icon here and it will lead you to your profile area. Now the next thing that you want to do is to tap on the 3 dash lines there. Tap on that and tap on settings. Now here on settings, what I want you to do next is to tap on the account center here. Tap on that and it will look like this. Now the next thing that you want to do is under account settings, you will see password and security. Tap on that and here you will see security check section and tap on where you're logged in. And here you can, since we want to log out from our all devices from our Instagram, tap on Instagram here and select devices to log out, then tap on select all and just tap on log out there. And basically you have now logged out all your accounts, all devices in Instagram. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.